Hey, great day to you. So, is there a SmartScout free trial, free account? Can you try out SmartScout for free? SmartScout is a tool and software for Amazon product research. And in the description, you're going to find the best offer for SmartScout and the great coupon code to save money, plus also a video that shows you how to use SmartScout 42-minute tutorial with the founder and CEO, Scott Needham, and myself, Baba Evan, Amazon seller. Great to meet you. Look, to the question, is there a free trial? At this moment, there is no free trial, no way to try it out for free. You have 7-day money back guarantee for SmartScout, okay? So invest in any of the plans. If you're not enjoying it, you have 7-day money back guarantee, so you can get your money back. Now, there is the discount page in the description. Click on this link and you're gonna get to this page where you will have this VOVA25 coupon code applied to your purchase. It's gonna be an affiliate link, means that if you ever do business with SmartScout, I'm gonna get a little commission from that. It's no extra cost to you. In this way, though, you can support my free content. I truly appreciate it. I'm an Amazon seller myself, and I've been sharing my journey here on YouTube as a seller for over 6-7 years, since 2018. Time is flying, huh? So yeah, this is the page. Check it out. You have discounts for the plans, and of course, you have that 7-day money back guarantee plus kind of the discount. I do recommend you checking it out, and you kind of be able to save money. Once you click on the page, and you click try now, or you click on join smartest sellers on Amazon, you'll be taken to the sign up page. I would appreciate if you, in the how did you hear about us, mention my name. Just kind of type my name, Vova Evan. I would truly appreciate that. That's me. And thank you for that. You just put in your kind of full name, email address, password, phone number if you choose to do so. Click on submit. You're going to get an account registered, plus you're going to have to verify through email. And then you're going to get to this page basically with a payment. You can pay yearly or monthly. Monthly is like one option, yearly is another option. So monthly is every month you pay per month, or yearly it's like one chunk of money in a yearly payment. With a discount, you get discounts obviously for every month for the first 3 months, 25% off. Or with a yearly plan, you also get a discount with the big chunk that you invest in SmartScout, and you get an extra annual discount. So for those who are investing in the annual plan, you save more money. So again, also there's this pricing page to compare the plans, basic, essentials, business. We do compare them though in this video with Scott in the it's kind of in the end here. So we have the SmartScout pricing and cost price. So basically Scott explains what's the best plan and for whom. And yeah, you are welcome to check it out. And even as I'm seeing here now, the price for basic dropped a little bit since the last time we recorded the video. So check out the updated link in the description for the best discount plus the pricing. And Scott explains based on what he thinks and his kind of conversations with sellers using SmartScout, what is the best kind of plan and for whom. I do recommend you watching that part of the video, but also fully watching the tutorial. We show you how SmartScout can be useful for you, how to use it with special kind of examples from Amazon itself. We show the seller map, which is a pretty strong tool of a SmartScout. So again, to your question, there is no free trial, free account yet. We have the best discount for you in the description, and you have the 7-day money back guarantee. You have the tutorial. So we're trying our best. Me and the kind of affiliate team at SmartScout and Scott, we're trying to set you up for success with the best kind of information, tools, discounts, and free trial is not available. Free account. However, you invest money, and once investing money, we tend to then sometimes, not necessarily, but we tend to value something a bit more than versus not investing. So I think that's the good part of it, that there's no free trial. The kind of sucky part is that you cannot try it out for free and just play with it. But yeah, you have the 7-day money back guarantee. Again, the best discount is in the description, this page that I've shared. Here you have the discount automatically applied and the tutorial as well with Scott, right? So have a great day. And I wish you good luck. Be well. Bye-bye.